Good morning. Welcome to the weekly Roundup report here at Chloe's Auto Repair and Tire. We are at the Roswell location today, so come on. Mark, what are you working on this fabulous morning?
I actually had a customer come in for an oil change this morning. We did a free multi-point inspection on his vehicle, and I'm just working on what we found during the inspection.
Peter, what you got going on with this Honda today?
This vehicle came in for routine maintenance. It came in for an oil change, and we did a thorough inspection on the vehicle and found that the control arms bushings are totally broken. It'll be hard to see without the light, but it's torn all the way across. So we advise the customer, now is the time while we have it in, that we can get his car up to standard, and here we are putting it up.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Chris, what are you working on today?
Today I have a battery on a 1997 Chevrolet.
Awesome. And once you put the battery in, you retest the starting system and charge it?
Yes, ma'am, absolutely.
Fantastic. Thank you.
You're welcome.
That's a wrap today for Roswell. Just wanted to let you know that we offer a customer shuttle here. We have a couple of them that'll give you a ride home, and we'll pick you up when your vehicle is finished. Thank you. Come and see us.